Alright, what's poppin'? LA Cotty Tips here. So today I'm gonna actually talk about how to get the PDFs for the workshop manual and the parts catalog, so you can follow along and keep track with all my videos. Alright, let's get into it. First thing we're gonna start doing is we're gonna start typing the model of the motorcycle that you're looking for. So right now this is the model that I'm looking for, and then I'm gonna put work shop manual. Alright, so now that I'm looking for the workshop manual, you can see that there's this website called manuals.lib. This is where I want to get it. Right here it says download this manual, so let's start by I'm not a robot. It says pick out the stairs. Alright, we picked out the stairs, verify we're not robotic. Alright, now that he figured out I'm not a robot, let's pop it. Download the PDF right there. Wait until the PDF is complete. So it's taking a little bit. Alright, so the PDF's ready. Once we click on the PDF, it's gonna show you this. This is specifically for my Ducati, but this applies to any Ducati that you want. Now we gotta find the parts catalog because that's another very important component. So let me just put the same shit all over. Alright, so now that we got everything right here, we're gonna start looking for the PDF. I forgot where the fuck the link is. I'm gonna try to show you guys specifically where the link is. If I can't show you guys where the specific link is, then and yeah, alright, I found it. So it's right here on this website called To Ride Document Ducati Parts Catalog Monster 821. So that's what they have it under, but if we click right here on this catalog, now it's going to show us the whole catalog and we can start finding parts super easy. So pretty much that's the video. If you guys want more information, just follow along to my videos. Please like and subscribe because it takes energy to make these videos and shit. But yeah, I only put out Ducati information because that's what a motherfucker ride. But check it out. Hope you like. Until next time.